Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. So, friends, we have seen in the previous, that is income tax 2, we have learned about the residential status, that is section 6 of the Income Tax Act 1961, wherein we have seen that residential status is based on the number of days physically you stayed in India. Correct? So for the individual and HUF, we have seen resident and ordinary resident but not ordinary resident, and the non-resident. Now today we will discuss about the scope of the total income or the incidence of the tax. The tax will be levied. The tax will be levied by the income tax in India based on the income of the person. But the total income is, the taxable total income is based on the residential status. So we know that now there are three types with respect to the individual and Hindu undivided family. We have three types of resident: a resident, ordinary resident, resident but not ordinary resident, and the non-resident. So all these depend on certain number of the days to be stayed in India. It is nothing to do with the citizenship or the domicile of any country. It's nothing. A person can be resident of India in 1 year and can be a non-resident in another year. That there is a possibility. Today we discuss, based on these three, which are all those incomes which are taxable here. So I'm going to explain you. We have resident and ordinary resident but not ordinary resident, and a resident. Okay, these three. Okay, any income which is defined under section 2 subsection 24 of the Income Tax Act, any income received in India, it is taxable in all the three cases: resident and ordinary resident, resident but not ordinary resident, and non-resident. In all these three cases, if it is received in India, it is taxable. Number 2, income earned in India. If you are earning the income in India, then it is taxable in all the cases. That means in all the three cases, all the three people have to pay the tax in India. Then the third step is income earned in India, whether received in India or received in the foreign country. Irrespective of the receipt, it is taxable. He has to pay the tax.